Yeah man, 6 months ago before I come back to America, I plant them gungo and live to come back, come see my gungo them beer. And you know, quite a bit of gungo. Now I can pick and eat and boil some soups in my bag here. Almost full. I'm not done pick yet. So I'm gonna have to go buy gungo. So I'm in my bag there. Almost one scandal bag full. And see more gungo still. All about pan 3. You see? So this goes to show you that no one better than yard. You can plant your little things them. So my banana tree them there. And I plant. I come back. And I reap banana. I eat banana. I ripe banana for them. So I have a tree there. So my little fall cup there. So my house there. Not done built yet. But we are going, you know. So encourage all of the yard people. Them no one better than yard. Plant your little thing. Reap your little thing. Enjoy yard. See? Respect. Alright, cool.